Chapter 12. The cafeteria smells like mold. I try not to breathe, but that smell makes me dizzy. Kids form lines in front of tables along one wall. There are signs behind the tables with letters A through G, H through P, and Q through Z. A bald guy walks around with a megaphone and bellows, "Line up in front of the letter that starts your last name. When you receive your schedule, head directly to your first period class. You'll find maps along the walls." I'm supposed to stand in the A through G line. So is Elliot. Instead, I stand near a bulletin board with a poster that reads, "Harmon students are always prepared, positive and proud, responsible and respectful, making excellent choices, academically astonishing, neat, careful, and considerate citizens." I pretend to study the poster, but I am secretly spying on Elliot. When there are 7 kids behind him, I decide it's safe to get in line. I shoot vaporizing rays at the back of Elliot's head. I hope you aren't in any of my classes. I hope you make out with some 8th grade girl and get suspended, or beaten up, or both. "Nice shirt," Elliot says as he walks past, holding his schedule. I watch Elliot catch up with Tommy. They compare schedules and walk out of the cafeteria. Together. When it's my turn at the table, the lady says, "Name?" "David." "Last?" I look behind me. There's no one else. "Last?" she says more loudly. Yes, I am." She closes her eyes. When she opens them again, she tilts her head and says, "Last name?" I want to say moron, because that's what I feel like. "Greenberg. My last name is Greenberg, and my middle name is Todd after—" "Here you go," she says, handing me the schedule. "You has Miss Lovely first period." "Miss Lovely?" "Yes." The lady looks tired. Of me. I turn to go just as the man with the megaphone says something near my ear. "Please go immediately to your first period class." I check the room number on my schedule and run out of the cafeteria. A teacher stops me. "Whoa, no running." "Sorry," I say, "I'm late." "That's okay. It's the first day." I shove my schedule at him. "Can you tell me how to get to—" I feel funny saying the name. "Miss Lovely's math class?" "End of the hall." He points. "Thanks." I walk quietly. Behind me, I'm sure I hear him mutter, "Good luck."